Infinity Tools is excited to offer Narex Wood Line Plus chisels in true Imperial sizes. Narex chisels have been proudly made in the Czech Republic for over 100 years. The Wood Line Plus line of chisels are high-quality tools at a nearly unbeatable price. One of the first things you'll notice is the finely feathered side bevels. These leave the square edge of the chisel with a very thin profile, a feature uncommon at this price point. The larger square edge on similarly priced chisels will tear into the corners of dovetails and other acute angle joints. These low-profile square edges are essential for joinery tasks such as cleaning the bottoms of dovetails. Chisels with wider square edges can tear into the side walls of the joint, leaving unsightly gaps at the corners when assembled. The chrome manganese steel used in Narex chisels is a low-alloy, high-carbon steel developed explicitly for making edged tools. Narex Wood Line Plus chisels are hardened to 59 on the Rockwell scale, using an extremely efficient and accurate isothermal hardening process. These tools are very sharp right out of the box, but like all edge tools, they will benefit from light honing before use. Whether you need to clean up dovetails, square up a 10-inch shoulder or mortise socket, or anywhere else you need a bench chisel, Narex Wood Line Plus chisels will perform like the premium chisel they are.